This morning, it started off a little bit rough with the drizzle, kind of making the commute a little messy. Just a trace out at Camp Mabry had a single hundredth of an inch of rain this morning at ABIA. Not enough to impact our deficit this month, which is still at better than an inch, almost an inch and a quarter there, and not enough to change our lake levels, which continue to fall as our drought worsens. Lake Travis nearly 5 feet below average now. And while we may see some rain in the morning, I don't think it's going to be enough to make a dent in this drought or the lake levels either. Tonight, skies are mostly clear, at least temporarily, and it's still very mild, 68 degrees, but we are expecting low clouds to fill back in very soon. That should stop our temperature from dropping more than maybe 3 degrees the rest of the night. We're forecasting 65 for 7 a.m. with maybe some drizzle or some light fog. By noon, maybe some showers, even a few thunderstorms in the area, and 75 degrees. But notice our 5 p.m. forecast with skies becoming mostly sunny and the high temperature 79, easily 80 degrees or above in some locations. Tonight, it's again very mild, 63 to 66 out there in the hill country, mid to upper 60s from the metro area into our eastern counties. Officially 68 in Austin with a clear sky, and at ABIA, skies are clear. It is also 67 degrees. Winds pretty breezy, south-southeast at 10 to 13 miles per hour. Mold count today, medium, and cedar still hanging on at a low level because of the rain in the morning. We don't think mold or cedar trees or any other spring trees should be any higher than they were today. Around the state, 40s in the Panhandle tonight, upper 60s, mid-60s there in Dallas, upper 60s along the coast, low 70s, 71 degrees in Houston. The gray shades on the map, the low clouds that were in the sky almost all day, and tonight here they come, headed our direction from the south. It's going to go cloudy here pretty soon. That moisture is being pulled north ahead of a low pressure area that's moving across the Baja right now. I realize it doesn't look like much here on our satellite view, but the low is situated about right here, and it'll be tracking right across Texas tomorrow. What will that mean? Well, maybe a brief line of showers and thunderstorms developing in the morning and then quickly moving east and then out of the state by tomorrow evening. How is it going to impact us locally? Let's take a close-up look here. Overnight, the clouds fill in, they thicken up. We're overcast in the morning. This is rush hour. Maybe some drizzle, but not so much in the way of rain yet. By mid-morning, pretty quickly, we may see some scattered showers develop, possibly along a little line out here in the hill country, and then watch as it progresses eastward. The yellow colors there indicate maybe some thunderstorm development down into the metro area around 11 a.m., maybe close to noon. But then watch what happens. Here we go to 2 p.m. The rain's ending in the metro area. That's the clearing line, the back edge of the clouds. It's approaching the metro area. By 3 o'clock, rain's ending in our eastern counties, and that clearing line is already moving east of Austin. And then after that, we are looking good all the way into the weekend. Now, again, we're not expecting much rain. These are the computer-generated forecast rainfall totals. Maybe a quarter of an inch if you're lucky out there in Llano or in Burnett. Maybe a fifth of an inch in Austin. Maybe a quarter inch over in Bastrop County. So not enough to make a dent in the drought, as we said. Tonight, low and mid-60s, very mild. High temperatures tomorrow. With the sun coming out and a dry west wind behind this little Pacific system, we could easily get to 80 degrees tomorrow. Some clouds and fog, some drizzle tonight, and 65. Tomorrow we'll start the day with maybe some morning to early afternoon thunderstorms, and then by mid-afternoon, if not earlier, we should begin to see a sky that looks kind of like that, and a high near 80. On the 7-day forecast, Friday's going to be beautiful. A little cool Friday morning, but 72, wonderful way to start the weekend Friday afternoon. Saturday looks good, 77. Another front will bring us a slight chance of showers Sunday, and then this one will have some cooler weather behind it. We may actually see a return to normal temperatures early to middle part of next week. Sean will be tracking this approaching storm minute by minute in the morning, and will bring you weather and traffic together every 10 minutes beginning at 5.